playing Musashi right now, so yeah.
Yeah, earlier her avatar was different.
No, it wasn't.
I forgot.
The California girls.
Okay, let's just play the freaking game.
Okay, so we're playing. So these two idiots. Oh my gosh, these two idiots. These two idiots. Oh, sorry. Here, have the medicine. Have the medicine. But these two idiots, including me, Lana and me, we are the two idiots. We're gonna be working at an animal hospital. Why is he staring at me like that?
That's how I was like,
Why is he staring at me like that?
yes.
So yeah, give me some of those cans, bro. You freaking bed back not sharing with me. Oh, that's too salty. But I'll have another one because it's delicious.
Oh, there's a one freaking idiot here.
What the frickety frick is that?
Customer, why are you like that?
Why are you like that?
You're supposed to leave now.
Hi.
Hi. Look, I want to pretend you're the customer.
Hey, sorry, bro. Yeah, you better. Yeah, take a picture of that.
You look completely normal.
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah, you definitely don't look like someone else. I'm giving you your ticket. Okay, that ticket was supposed to be Annie. Now you're room 1. Go follow me. Go on a bed. Okay, pretend you're laying down. And then there's the patient. The actual patient coming.
Okay, wait, pretend I'm just like. Okay, on my screen it looks like I'm laying down. Ow.
The screen is really fucked up. What do you need?
I need herbs.
I don't know why they're called like that, but they're. Yep, they're herbs. Here we go.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, you're a big back.
Shut up, bro. Give me some chips. My gosh, it's only been 1 minute. Thanks, I'll be in room 2. Well, no, I'm the customer. Or you are.
Huh?
You're the customer. Go in room 2.
Okay. This one?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
But Lana, wait. I'm gonna wait. Lana, wait for him to go like this so you can go like this. Get in the bed. Get on the bed! You're not on the bed.
Oh.
Dang. Okay, I'm gonna take a DNA sample from you. Get on the bed!
Ouchie. We'll see what it looks like from your screen. Okay, I'm not looking up. BB10 we get.
Oh, you need eye drops?
Give me my eye drop now.
Shut up. Does it look like I'm holding... For my screen, is it holding up? Yeah. Alright, I'm putting it on you. Open your eyes.
I'm opening my eyes.
There.
Any soul?
Alright, I'm gonna wait for you to recover. Oh my gosh, the fat doctor is here.
Yes, and they're the ugly customers here.
Yeah, ugly customer. Alright, bye.
Oh,
You must be the new hire. Shut up.
no, we're not new. We're old.
Yeah, we're old. We've been here
We're like 1,000 years.
We've been here since 1969.
Yes.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm just gonna reject the doctor.
You killed no person.
Yet. Not yet.
Open
Lana.
up. I'm going in. I mean, do I have a picture of you? It's right here. It was supposed to be me.
No, Lana, because I'm the best, bro. I'm the best. Sorry.
Okay, I'm the customer again. Hello. Yeah, and pretend that white customer is actually me. Okay. Pretend the customer is me.
Wait, let me see if it's bad. Okay. Let me take a picture of you. I'm not gonna look at it just in case. Oh yeah, because I can see you right there.
I look.
Guys, don't ask. I'm kind of drawing right now at the same time, so.
Okay, Howdy. Let me do that for you.
Do you guys want to see the drawing when I'm done?
Yes. I forgot what room he is, so I'm just gonna follow him. He's a freaking slowpoke.
Alright, here, I'm done. Look at that crap. Look at that. Alright.
I did everything for you. Yeah, pretend I'm the customer.
Oh my gosh.
What the frick? Avni? I think I need to get on in. Avni?
No, Lana, don't look at it. Don't look at it. You'll lose sanity and you're gonna die.
So, do we just look at it or not?
Just don't look at it.
Slowly give
Don't look at it at all. Here, let me do it.
it. Staring at me.
What are you doing? What room
No,
are you in?
it's like the room with the door open. I just want to look at him. I'm the patient.
I did it.
What did you do? It's not getting me anymore.
Yeah, I put eye drops on it. I need to go get some coffee.
I mean coffee.
No, I need
Really badly. How much do you have? I'm 43. I really need coffee.
You can get the next one. Bro, I hate this guy. I'm not gonna give you coffee. He always wants coffee.
Well,
I don't care, bro. I want my coffee. I'm gonna die, and I have it more. I need it more important than you.
Yes, I need it really badly.
You just wait for coffee.
Hmm?
You just wait for the coffee.
Now pretend I'm the customer.
So, I'm Rocky Lim. Limbs.
Well,
I hate that thing. Oh wait, we forgot a customer. Oopsies. Lonnie, you forgot this customer.
But you do it.
No. I went up to do this thing. Remember? You Albert finger noodle.
Rebel finger now.
Okay, what do you want? Bruises. Oh my gosh, what's happening to my screen? Okay, you need a med kit.
You ate all my chips.
Oops. Not sorry. Mommy? Stop. Stop. California girls, unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top.
Sorry, guys.
Sun kiss.
I only been a baby back and ate all my chips. Give me more. No.
Can I have at least a couple?
Couple.
Nom nom. Don't ask why there's a crack in the window. I kind of raged.
Right? What'd you find? That was a monster.
These are disgusting.
What are you doing, Evan?
Sorry, these things taste disgusting.
What is this?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Huh? Evan?
Works.
Evan? I was right here, and then I didn't press anything, and then I moved right here.
I don't know. All right, you got room 1, okay? Let me go. I actually saw that earlier. But Lana, save the coffee for me. We're gonna take turns. Cause I'm at 38.
I'm at 41.
Okay, I don't care.
I'm just under the bed.
No, the heck you went.
Wait, I'm on the cookies.
Oh my gosh.
I'm the customer. I had a fart.
Get the frick away. Ew. You're disgusting. Eye drops. Where are you? Where are you going? Get back in your bed. Come back.
Okay.
Come back.
Come here. Mwah.
Ew.
And
Oh, sorry, bro. Stay.
Shut up. Go.
I see you. No, my patience. Stop. What are you doing?
Taking a crap.
Okay, get out of my office.
I'm just joking.
Yeah. Mom, we're playing a game. Opening a new facial for you. Supply shop will live each for self.
That's me.
No, the heck that ain't.
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna go check out our items. We only.
Please compare. Compare. We look the same. Oh, look.
Ha ha.
See? It's you.
Yeah, because I'm the best.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm buying that taser, bro.
oh, fuck yeah.
I'm saving it.
Takes a lot.
This is a dangerous job. Shut up.
But buy this. You know, I was wasting my money, but I don't fucking care. Yeah, I don't care. I'm just going to go. I mean, I bought something. It was really stupid. But I had no choice. Oh yeah, we bought it a new this. She's drawing by.
Hey, no, stop it. Oh, sorry.
That was me. Okay, he's gone.
No, what the heck? All right, open the door.
Okay, I'm the customer.
All right, bro.
Do it for me. B10, I'm doing it. You came on the worst timing. Okay, I'm taking crap on you.
Get away.
Wait, get out of here. You should have done it, but because of this doesn't mean.
Let me see. Hold on, move out of the way real quick. Okay. Go back. Ooh, that's a beautiful photo view.
Yeah.
I need some coffee.
Can you give me some coffee too?
Yeah. Zamir, why are you knocking? Okay.
I heard nothing too.
Let's make this video about playing lots of games.
Oh yeah, so when we get out, we still are making a video.
Next game we should play Hatch a Hike.
Well, I haven't played it for a long time.
Yeah, and it's a really good game too.
Yeah, I haven't.
It's not even that big too. It's like a really good game, but it's not that big.
Yeah.
Name's Ron. Okay, shut up. I did not ask you that name. I did not ask you to tell me tell your name.
I mean, what the frick? Come over here.
Do what? I'll be there.
It's in room 5.
Yeah, I think
After
I saw
this
that. Yeah, I saw that. Hey, I saw that. What's wrong with it?
It's silly. I have 5 batteries. I have 10 batteries. Pretty silly.
Go get your charger.
I'm too lazy for that.
Bruh. Do you want to quit right now and play a different game?
I'm gonna play a different game now.
All right, guys. We're gonna be playing a different game, and I'll do a transition. Okay. Bong.